Who is prohibited from buying a weapon in New Jersey? New Jersey enforces some of the strictest firearm laws in the country. Knowing who is legally barred from owning or purchasing a weapon is critical not only for gun buyers but also for anyone charged with a firearm-related offense. A misunderstanding of these laws can result in severe consequences, including criminal charges and prison time. Legal restrictions and the role of the law governing firearm eligibility in New Jersey is rooted in both state statutes and federal regulations. At the federal level, restrictions are set by the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives. In New Jersey, NJS Section 2C, 58.3 lays out specific conditions under which an individual cannot be issued a firearm permit. An individual is barred from purchasing or owning a weapon if they've been convicted of a crime, domestic violence offense, or even certain disorderly persons offenses. Importantly, New Jersey does not use the term felony, but any offense that carries a potential sentence of 1 year or more qualifies as disqualifying. The law also blocks those with mental health commitments, individuals addicted to drugs or alcohol, and anyone subject to a restraining or temporary protection order. These restrictions apply regardless of whether the person served time. An attorney can help clarify how these factors apply to your case, especially when appealing a denial or mounting a defense. Who can't buy weapons in New Jersey? You cannot legally buy a weapon in New Jersey if you fall into any of these categories. You're under 18 years old for firearms, or under 21 for handguns. You've been convicted of a New Jersey crime of the first, second, third, or fourth degree. You are addicted to drugs or alcohol, or have been committed to a mental institution. You're subject to a domestic violence-related restraining order. You have a physical illness or condition that renders you unfit to handle a firearm. You've been convicted of drug-related crimes or domestic violence, even if the offense didn't involve a weapon. New Jersey's red flag law adds another dimension. The Extreme Risk Protective Order Act allows family members or law enforcement to petition the court for a temporary or permanent firearm ban if someone poses an immediate danger, regardless of past convictions. This means even individuals who don't fall under the usual restrictions can still be barred from possessing guns if a judge finds credible evidence of threat. Understanding the process and definitions to own a firearm in New Jersey, an individual must first apply for one of two types of permits: the Firearms Purchaser Identification Card for rifles and shotguns, or a permit to purchase a handgun. Each handgun purchase requires its own permit. The application is filed through the Firearms Applicant Registration System and sent to the local police or New Jersey State Police. It must include a government-issued ID, references, consent for mental health record review, and electronic fingerprints. Once submitted, police conduct a background check involving both state and FBI databases. If no action is taken within 60 days, the application is considered approved. Someone who's been disqualified may still have a path forward. They can petition the Superior Court to restore their firearm rights. This is only granted if the individual can prove they are no longer a danger to themselves or others and meet eligibility standards under NJSA 2C, 58.3c. Understanding whether you're legally allowed to possess a weapon can be complex. A lawyer can help evaluate your history and provide guidance on whether you may be disqualified or eligible for restoration. A law firm that focuses on gun laws in New Jersey can be especially helpful in navigating this landscape. If you're unsure about your eligibility or have been charged with a firearm offense, it's critical to work with an experienced attorney who understands the intricacies of both state and federal gun laws. A skilled legal team can evaluate the facts of your situation, help with permit applications or denials, and represent you in court if needed. To discuss your case or learn more about your legal options, call Lustberg Law Offices, LLC at 201-880-5311. We're located at 1 University Plaza Drive, number 212, Hackensack, New Jersey, 07601, United States.